Hey guys, have you ever watched a YouTube video and about 3 or 4 minutes in, you come to the conclusion, there's no way I'm ever doing that project? Well, hopefully today's video is not one of those projects. I got tape stuck to my foot. All right. So today we're going to do a headlight restoration challenge. That's right. We're going to pair 2 products against each other that I've done the research and it says that this should do the trick. So here's the criteria I use to select these 2 products. It's got to be inexpensive. It's got to be available at a lot of stores. So whether it's Walmart, Amazon, your local, O'Reilly's or AutoZone or whatever flavor you have nearby, Walmart, everybody carries these 2 products that I've seen. And so that's why I chose these 2. Cheap, easy to use, and it's readily available. So that's how I made the selection criteria. And I'm not going to tell you what these 2 products are. You got to stick around to the end to find out what they are. If you really just must know right now and aren't willing to wait to the end and stick with me through the whole test, I will put links to Amazon affiliate links down in the description. So if you just have to jump ahead and know what it is, go down there and you can get the links and find out what it is right now. This is the left-hand side. This, we're gonna have a product here. This I'm leaving open because I don't want to do the test twice. Product 1, product 2, side by side, rip the tape off, will be to see there. And then over here, we're gonna do side marker. So side marker, side by side. Just smear. All right, we'll make orange number 1. Gonna put a few little dots. All right, let's take a close-up here. 2, let's see, let's go to the other side. I don't have quite as much light. I'm more lighting over here. Actually, we need to light this a little bit. So there's number 1. My hand's so wet from being in that glove, I can't hold the tape that way. There we go. All right. There is a very clear defined line right there. Before and after, obviously. This is product number 1. Any guesses? What is it, guys? Over here, product 1, product 2, side by side. Here's product 2. I see both of them right here have just a little bit of imperfection in the plastic, but I mean, that's hundreds of times better. So let's look at it this way. Product number 1, product number 2, and the control in the middle as it used to be. Which one are you going to buy? Is it number 1 or number 2? All right, in the comments down below, this is your chance to comment. Which one is better, 1 or 2? And secondarily, which one do you think it is? These are retail products. You can buy it at any auto parts store, Amazon, Walmart. It's everywhere. These aren't, secret products or anything. Number 1 or number 2? What's your vote? All right, guys, here's the big reveal. You ready? Let's do this. Product number 1, Mother's mag and aluminum polish. Use this stuff on a lot of stuff. PlastX, Meguiar's. Guys, If you have a Wrangler like that over there, this should be in your bag of tricks here, because I use this to polish those plastic windows in the hard top or the soft top there. And we're gonna do a couple episodes on that and here coming up soon, and you're gonna want to see the before and after. It's pretty amazing. Removes cloudiness, yellowing, oxidation, and fine scratches. We saw that, great for headlights. There's no shine like mothers. Mag and aluminum polish shines and protects automotive metals. So that's what's interesting. You know, everybody talks about this for metal, but you just saw what it did on the headlights. Question is, which one is the winner? Is it Mothers or is it Meguiar's PlastX? Meguiar's PlastX right here versus Mothers. They both have some a little bit of defect still in there, but not bad. This one has it right here. That's probably just where my pad wasn't down in there enough. Over here, there's still a little bit in that same zone, but again, from 5 or 10 feet to do in 5 minutes, I would say, guys, a 5-minute solution over half a day with sandpaper and who knows what. Don't waste your money, in my opinion. Don't waste your money on one of those kits that you buy for 50 bucks online or at the parts store. Spend 5 bucks, 10 bucks, use what you got in the cabinet already, because chances are you probably have one of those two products in your cabinet or in your garage where you're detailing your car anyway. So just use it, get it out. Hopefully you have a buffer. I think you could do it by hand, but you saw how easy it was to do it with a buffer. And you know, try it with a DA. I've got the DA in there. The buffer is definitely more powerful, so that's why I chose it for this test, because I'm looking for easy and fast. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pick one of those two products, and I'm probably, because of the splatter, I'd say the clarity here in person, I'd say the clarity is equal between the Mothers and the PlastX. So whatever you have in your garage, use it. If you have one of these already, if you're gonna go buy one, I'd buy the Mothers. And the only reason, the tiebreaker, is the paste does not sling as much as the liquid. The liquid, which reminds me, I'm gonna come over here real quick and get this off the paint so that it doesn't, I don't know if it stains or what it'll do, but see, I gotta wipe off the paste or the liquid, where the Mothers rubbed in just a little bit better. Mothers, PlastX, I mean, guys, that is darn close in the clarity and the perfection. This, I've still, you know, I've got a little marring down here. I'm pretty sure I did this. I feel it in the glass, so that may have already been there as well. But I would say dead even in terms of clarity. What do you think? Tell me in the comments below. Am I wrong? One better than the other? But I'm going to finish up the job with the Mothers. Thanks for you guys tuning in. Do me a favor. Was this helpful? Hit the like button. Use one of the links down below if you need to buy it. That does help me out. No cost to you, but I get a small commission on Amazon if you use it. And thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you soon. All right, it's time for a test. Can we polish this headlight in under 5 minutes? Get our timer out. And timer. Let's actually just do a stopwatch and start. right, so I forgot a product. Here we go. Here's what it looks like finished after a quick, oh, we forgot to look at the timer. We are looking at 2 minutes, 15 seconds to do one headlight. Could be a little better, maybe. Could we do a little bit more? Sure. But that is a heck of a lot better than what it looked like before. Final step. Grabbing my bag of tricks here. 303. Just soak it down to 303. And my hope is that this, let that just soak in. My hope is that this is going to make it last for a while. I don't know if it will, but that is what Sweet Project guys, I watched his video. He used the 303 and the mothers. So I give him credit for the 303. The PlastX is something I've used on the Jeep and use it all the time. So I wanted to try it. And I just let it sit. A lot of people want to wipe it right off. Let the 303 sit. Just sit here and dry up your drips. Take your tape off. All right. It looks pretty darn good for 5 minutes. We're at 6 minutes right now, and that's polishing them, putting the 303, taking off the tape. Enough of this, guys. It's time to go on and do something else, have fun with the kids. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thank you guys for tuning in. We just polished the headlight in under 5 minutes. You try it too. Let me know. Come back. Let me know if it worked for you. No reason to spend all day. No reason to spend a ton of money on all the products that they're trying to sell you to do this. You already probably have the products sitting in your garage. So appreciate you tuning in. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down if you hated it. Was this stupid, horrible, you don't care about this? Let me know that too. I'm trying to figure out YouTube. I'm trying to figure out how to be how to create some content. I'm having fun with it. I hope you're having fun and learning something along the way. Appreciate you tuning in, and we'll talk to you soon.